Hello students, hope all of you are in good health. The previous video we learnt about different types of food we eat and from where do we get this food. We get food from plants and animals. Also we read about edible parts of plants. Do you have a pet that you take care of? A dog, cat, buffalo or a goat? You will then surely be aware of the food the animal eats. What about other animals? Have you ever observed a squirrel, pigeon, lizard or a small insect? What kind of food they take? Let us see. What is this? These are grains. Now watch the fun. Now in my hand, some fish food. As I drop this in water, watch the fish eating food. Now here you see a tiny little creature. What is it doing? It's eating its food. It's a rabbit. It's a fun to watch it having its food. So we saw some animals eating their food. Animals eat different types of food. Some animals eat only plants or plant products, while some eat other animals. There are some animals which eat both plants and animals. According to the food the animals eat, they have been grouped into herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores. Herbivores are animals that eat only plants, like cow eats only grass and other plant material. So examples of herbivores: cow, horse, sheep, rabbit, deer. Carnivores. Carnivores are animals that eat other animals, like lion eats deer, rabbit or other animals. Examples: lion, tiger, snake, eagle, wolves. Omnivores. Omnivores are animals that eat both plants and animals, like sparrow eats seeds as well as small insects and caterpillars. So examples of omnivores: sparrows, human beings, crows, cockroaches, etc. There are some animals which cannot be placed in the above groups. They are placed in the following special groups. Number 1, scavengers. Scavengers are animals that feed on dead and decaying animals. They are also called cleaners of environment, as they help to keep the environment clean by eating dead animals. So scavengers are animals that eat flesh of dead animals. Examples: vultures, hyenas. These are examples of scavengers. Parasites. Parasites are animals that live inside or on the skin of other animals. The animal they live in or on is called the host. They derive their nutrition from the host. Examples: tapeworm. It lives in the intestine of humans. Ticks or fleas live on the skin of dogs and cats. So, today we have learnt types of food animals eat. We know that there are many amongst us who do not get sufficient food. What should we do? We need to find ways by which more food can be produced in the country. So we should have a planning so that enough amount of food can be produced in our country. That will not be enough. We will need to find ways to ensure that this food is made easily available to each one of us. And lastly, we should think of ways to avoid wastage of food. So today up to this much. Thank you, students.